Hello YouTube, today on the table I have a SAITO 300. This is a new engine that I got. This came all the way from Texas, USA. And on today's video I'm gonna do a disassembly of this engine. And let's see how it goes. This engine came with the exhausts for it. It also came with an instruction manual for this engine. And a spinner. And these guys right here. So I'm gonna start off by taking off the rocker covers here. Or the intake manifolds. I think it's a better idea. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now let's see if I can take this off first. So I got to the rocker arms, and we can see that we have two spacers here on the left side viewing from the back of the engine, and I'm referring to the left cylinder and the right one as I'm looking from the back of the engine. So for me, this is the left cylinder, this is the right cylinder, and on the left cylinder this valve seems stuck, but we'll see about that. First, let's take off this pin right here if I can somehow. Let me see if I can find my magnet. Here it is. Okay, so here we have it. This is from the left cylinder. And now I'm going to try to take off this spacer right here. This is the spacer. And this is going right here. Like so. Okay. Now we'll take this off. Okay. Yeah, the valve, the spring is completely stuck. Oh, now it's free. That's a good sign. Okay, let's see this. This looks good. All of this is very dry, and by the time I took the carb off and all this assembly here, I noticed that the engine has never been disassembled because of the snap that the screws had. It's a very particular snap that indicates the engine has never been disassembled before. And now I'm going to try to take this side off. You need to be very careful with these. You don't want to screw them up. I don't know how much you're going to see on the camera, but I'm trying my best to show you everything. I didn't put any oil in the engine prior to the disassembly, but I guess I could have done so. Yeah, and I think I need to heat this up a bit because it seems to be stuck there. And I can't push it from here because the hole is too small, so I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here and here and just heat this thing up like so. Okay, let's see now. I need to be careful with the spacer, which is still in there. Let me see if this came all the way out. Looks like it. Yeah, the magnet won't do the job. I'm gonna come right back when I get it off.